Hi, welcome back on my Lego build channel, and in this video we will build the last pack of this Lego architecture Taj Mahal, and it is pack number 10, and there aren't many pieces, but also we are on the page 190, and after this video it will be some video for the details of this set, and it wouldn't be video for the functions, but this set because this set doesn't have some functions, many functions. There is only this roof and that's all. But I think let's start about it, this pack, and I think that's all. Also, you can look on my Instagram. Every Monday I put new some Lego, some picture from some Lego technique, architecture or icons, and then I put on my Instagram. And also you can give me subscribe, because we will go to 250 subscribers for the last day in the April. And also you can write some comments and you can give me a like. And I think that's all. Let's start about it. I see you next week at the new video. Bye.